Wall art can be so expensive to buy. Just go online and scroll and you will see just what I'm talking about, right? But the good thing about it is you don't always have to buy it. You can make it. Stick with me and I will show you how easy it is to make an abstract art like this just by using a stretched canvas from the dollar store and a few items from the thrift store. Hi home stars, welcome back and welcome to our weekend workshop where we create something special every weekend. So let's get right into it and create a lovely wall art. On the table here we have this dollar store stretched canvas that I picked up. It may have been about $1.75, I think, and I actually sprayed it in a semi-gloss black paint. Right now I am going to be using some flowers, and I already went ahead and cut them off the stem because we don't need the stem. We're also going to be using some rope, and I have started to unravel this part of the rope because what we're going to do right now, and of course I have my trusty glue gun. What we're going to do right now is position our rope on the canvas, and I want to do it in such a way that it looks aesthetically pleasing and it is balanced. So that is our first step. I'm just trying to see if it's as long as I want it to be. So I'm not going to put it here just to create a little more interest. I'm going to put it off in the corner here. But I think I need to unravel just a wee bit more. If it's too much, I can always snip off the ends there. I think that's good, right? So I am gonna cut it right here. And I'm gonna start by just dabbing a little glue in the corner here, and gonna put this in the corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start positioning. I think I'm gonna put a little more glue right here. So I guess along the way, we'll sometimes have to wait just a wee bit for the glue to harden a bit. So that's dry enough. I am going to go ahead. I'm going to position this piece right here. I'm just going to do a free flow like. I'm just going to put the glue on the cord. And I'm gonna put it down here. I am gonna go ahead and open this so that it's thinner out here. Still, I gotta wait on the glue to dry just a wee bit more. Okay. Now, I am going to go ahead and place the second one. And I think what I'm going to have to do is just put a tiny bead of glue so it dries quicker. I can't wait for this to dry. Okay, I think this is good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this other piece. And then this piece I'm gonna put out here. Right. Now this is what we have so far. And what we're going to do now is just free form the petals in and around this foundation. And I am going to start right here. I'm going to put one right here. I don't think I need to make the glue so heavy because the glue takes so long to dry already. I put one right in here. The idea is to build around the core that I just put on here to make it look almost like a tree. So some parts of the rope will be visible when we're done and some parts won't be. Okay, so I'm gonna put one right here. There are threads of hot glue all over, so I'll just have to deal with that when I'm done. So the idea is to build it up so it looks complete, right? It should not be sparse when I'm done. It should be full. I think I'm gonna have to get some more of the big pink ones. Cutting it as close as possible at the back because I don't want a little stump on it. I want to get off as much stump as possible. We are gonna keep building because it should look very full, right? So we're gonna put more and 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 more. Highlight it with some gold. Not much, just a few. What I'm gonna do right now is fold this piece of burlap. Actually, I think it's a bit too much. So I'm gonna fold it And I am gonna use it right at the base here just to finish off the base of the cord right here so it doesn't look so unfinished. There we go. And I'm just gonna clip off whatever is hanging out. We're good. We are very good there. Now I gotta take off a lot of cobweb. It's not really cobweb. It's just, I've never used a hot glue that has strung so much thread all over the thing. And just like that, we have a lovely artwork for our wall just by using simple and affordable materials. Now you could do yours with a bigger canvas. You could even do it on a piece of rustic wood, depending on your decor or design. You can use different type of flowers, different type of cord. It's about giving you ideas, right? Inspiring you to try something new, try something different. Thank you so much for being here for this weekend workshop. I hope you really enjoyed it. I actually like this a lot. As much as I don't like faux flowers, yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and one of the things I realized is that when I made it for the branch to go up like that, but I turned it this way. And for some reason, I am preferring it this way because it feels to me like it is giving a little bit more movement because the branch is hanging down. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think. And if you're going to try anything remotely like this, also drop it in the comments and let me know. Thank you again so much for being here. And if this is your first time here, I hope it won't be your last. Go ahead, hit subscribe, come along with us as we use affordable and simple DIY projects to make our homes comfy, cozy, and complete. That's it for this weekend's workshop. I will see you again on Monday. You take good care now. I appreciate you.